Hello everyone. In my hand this is a little toy grade cheap Chinese helicopter, and I have stripped it apart because its battery, lithium polymer battery, was very low quality and it just died upon on me. It was originally equipped with a remote control, a small infrared remote control system. This is a toy grade helicopter and it only has one coreless motor over here, as you can see, and one coreless motor drives both coaxial propellers, and these are fly bars up over there. They can help stabilize the aircraft. Its original lithium polymer battery died and I replaced it lithium polymer cell. It states 300 mAh 3.7 volt. It's not good fit in this drone because it's very lightweight. This actual cell weighs more than this entire helicopter. I just had an idea that I should try it free flight to see how far it will go. We don't have remote control anymore. This is not a ready control, this is just free flight. When hopefully battery runs out or something else, it will fall down. So today is not a windy day, so I hope that it goes up straight and it will eventually fall back down where it is taking off. Beautiful little thing, and it's so cheap. I picked it up for about $2.50 and it came with remote control and a small lithium polymer battery and a charging cable. It's insane how they can produce these small and very complex machines for such low price. There it goes, and it's on its way, and the cell was charged to around 4 volts. I will try to follow it so that it does not get lost. Maybe I could recover it or maybe not. Oh, it's falling down, I think. Yes, it's falling down. Here it goes in the wheat field. Here it goes. It is going very, very far away.